How the heat pump ruined the appearance of an architecturally refined house. Mr. Baker owned a visually stunning house, but the installation of a new heat pump marred its appearance. The generic, unattractive design clashed with the house's aesthetic, leaving Mr. Baker and architect Anna disheartened. Seeking a solution, they discovered our heat pump, which excelled in energy efficiency and seamlessly complemented the house's architecture. They made the switch, realizing the importance of both technical efficiency and aesthetic harmony in home devices. Mr. Baker's experience emphasizes the significance of considering both efficiency and design when choosing home appliances. Our heat pump showcases the possibility of combining high performance with an appealing look. For a quality, cost-effective heat pump without hidden expenses, check our webpage. Don't wait. Reach out to us now.